Students, good morning students. Today we will start about the topic blood. We were discussing about the chapter circulation, in which the topic blood we will discuss now. Blood, as you know, the blood corpuscles and blood form the main composition of circulatory system. So blood provides a mechanism for rapid transport of nutrients, waste product, respiratory gases and cells, which and this is powered by pumping action of the heart. So blood, if we discuss about the physical characteristics of blood, so blood is red vascular connective tissue. It is opaque, somewhat sticky and viscous fluid. Human blood is 5 times more viscous than distilled water. It is still heavier than water and it is slightly alkaline in nature. The oxygenated blood is bright red, while deoxygenated blood is purple red. Study of blood is known as hematology, and the stain which is used for staining the blood is Leishman stain. If we talk about percentage, blood forms about 6 to 10% of body weight and about 30 to 35% of extracellular fluid. The volume of blood in an adult person is about 6.8 liters. Now we will discuss about the composition of blood. The blood is formed of two parts, plasma and blood corpuscles. First we talk about plasma. A plasma is a faint yellow colored non-living fluid which forms about 55 to 60% of blood volume. Decrease in the plasma level of blood due to decreased fluid intake or excessive loss of water due to excessive sweating, diarrhea or vomiting is called dehydration. Composition of plasma: it is a mixture of molecular solution of many organic and inorganic substances. So it is composed of water 90 to 92%, inorganic salts 1 to 2%, and plasma protein 6 to 8%. Inorganic salts and are chlorides, carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfate and phosphates. So the function, if we talk about functions of plasma, the functions of plasma are transportation, homeothermy, pH constancy, blood clotting, immunity, and so many functions which plasma perform. Second, we talk about the blood corpuscles. Blood corpuscles are the cells which float freely in the plasma. They form about 40 to 45% of the blood. The percentage of blood cells is called hematocrit value or packed cell volume. So types of blood cells: blood is with three types of blood corpuscles: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. So first we talk about RBCs. RBCs in all the vertebrates except mammals, the erythrocytes are oval, biconcave and nucleated. In mammals, except the testiculars, these are circular, biconcave and non-nucleated. The biconcave shape increase the surface area to volume ratio and O2 can easily diffuse into the RBCs, while the absence of nucleus increase the hemoglobin contents and also increase the motility of the cell. Now if we talk about size of human RBC, it is about 7 to 5 micrometer. And normal size of RBCs are called normocytes, while in pathogenic condition the RBC may be microcytes. If we talk about number of RBCs, the number of erythrocytes differ in different animals as with physiological state of individual. RBCs are much more in number than WBCs. The total number of RBC per microliter in blood is called RBC count. So RBC count in man is a normal human male is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic milliliter of blood, while it is 4.5 to 5 million per cubic in blood.